Hey guys, I hope everybody's having a fantastic day. Whether you're watching this in the morning, the afternoon, or in the evening, I'm glad you're here. Just want to take a few seconds to thank the channel members. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And a few seconds to invite anybody that's new that hadn't had a chance yet or hasn't been inclined. Please hit that subscribe button, that bell notification icon, notify you when I release new content, like these unboxings that go up kind of randomly. And if you're on Instagram, I'd love for you to give me a follow at jevans underscore knife addict underscore life. We connect over there. And I just wanted to do a quick unboxing today. I actually thought these were going to come in at the same time, but they didn't. This is from our friends at White Mountain Knives. This is an interesting order that I picked up last week. I was hoping it was going to come in by Friday Night Flicks, but it didn't. It got hung up. And the unboxing knife, is the Civivi Vision FD or FG. Field grade, is that what it is? I'm digging this knife, guys. Let's see what we got here. Whoops, peanuts. QSP box. So, when I first got into the knife game, probably almost 3 years ago, one of the first knives I got was the QSP Penguin. It was one that had been recommended to me by channels, by different people, and it's just a hyped up knife. And when I saw that they'd released this slip joint, I was very interested, to say the least. So we've got Have a Knife Day sticker, QSP sticker. We've got the QSP sticker there, and then we've got our little card talking about the Penguin slip joint, model number, dimensions. This is the 14C28N and G10. They also make this knife in fat carbon and 20 CV. I figured I'd try it out first, see if I liked it. And again, I picked the black with the red liners. Let's get this stuff put away. But I've always been impressed with the Penguin. I kept it in my collection for a really long time. I didn't give it away until recently here. But this version is perfectly centered, has a perfect steel spring. I really like the pop of the red liners. I don't think I was really paying attention to those when I ordered it, but they're cool. It's got a very nice pull. Guys, I like this knife. Perfect half stop, snap shut. I'd say the open's a 6, 6, 7. 6, 7. Your spring stays totally lined up. I mean, the fit and finish on this, which shouldn't surprise me because the Hedgehog was one that I was really, really stoked about. That's a QSP. It was a second slip joint that I brought into my collection was the QSP Hedgehog, and it was a hollow grind where the Penguin here. Let's see. It's a little bit bigger knife than the Hedgehog. And I'd say the pull is much stronger on the Penguin. I think that's a flat grind. It almost looks hollow. Let's see if it cuts. Yes, sir. It cuts. Very slicey. I like that forward choil because, again, you're engaging with the blades. So since it's a slip joint, you'll be aware of that. It's got bite, guys. Got a lot of bite. Cool knife. Which is not always a good thing because that makes me now want to get a carbon fiber in 20CV. This one is 14C28N right there on the blade. Let me get my, and this is just an unboxing, guys. Yeah, I think it's a flat grind. Or if it's a hollow, it's a very shallow hollow, but very reminiscent of the Penguin. I don't have that knife anymore to compare it to, but I can tell you I really like the look of this one. Um, let's see what size knife it is, just out of curiosity. Yeah, it's going to be too big for that. Need to come up with a slit for this guy, or just go with it all out, right? But that is the QSP Penguin Slip Joint unboxing, guys. Not a full review. I will give you a full review on it. I can tell you my initial first impressions. The G10 feels great. It is very sharp, as you guys saw. Looks like a really nice finish on the blade. Very minimal markings with just QSP and the blade steel 14C28N. Nice steel liners, little pop of color with the red G10. Um, Perfectly centered, no displacement in the spring. I think it's a winner, guys. Uh, I will get back with you after I've lived with it for a little while, lived on it, love it. Hopefully, won't cut myself with it. But guys, I appreciate you more than you know. Anytime you stop by and watch one of my videos, it just stokes me out. Give you all a top-down view of that. But please look out for the guy or gal to your left. Please look out for that guy or gal to your right. Look out for each other. Go forward with love in your heart. Please choose debate and not hate. I love you all. Peace.